Welcome to another episode of Hump Day Cocktails with your host, Matthew. Today we are going to be making the Long Island Iced Tea, so stay tuned. The Long Island Iced Tea is a staple drink in New York City. It contains 5 different liquors and a splash of cola. Most, if not all of the flavor, comes from this combination of liquor. There are multiple variants of the drink, some of which include sweet and sour mix, but the one that we will be making today contains vodka, silver tequila, light rum, triple sec, gin, simple syrup, lemon juice, and a splash of cola to the top. The name comes from its amber hue, which looks very similar to tea, although it doesn't include any. The origin of the drink starts with a man named Robert Rosebud Butt in the Oak Beach Inn on Long Island in 1972. Robert was putting on a contest which asked people to invent new cocktails that included triple sec. There is a similar drink which is claimed to have been invented by an old man bishop in a community called Long Island in Kingsport, Tennessee, during Prohibition times. This cocktail, however, included whiskey and maple syrup, of which the modern cocktail recipe does not include. So let's get to it. So for the Long Island Iced Tea, the first thing you're going to need is a proper glass. With this one, it's pretty easy. Pretty much every Long Island Iced Tea cocktail that I've had has just been in like a tall, slim glass. Today we have this. It's what we're going to be using. I think it'll work. So all of these liquors are 3/4 ounce that we used and that you heard previously earlier on in the episode. So the first thing is vodka. Today we're using Tito's. You want 3/4 ounce of vodka. Throw that in there. And actually I skipped ahead a little bit. Let's make sure we got some ice so we're not throwing ice into liquid. Next on the list is white rum, 3/4 ounce of white rum. Second of the 5 liquors. After that will be 3/4 ounce of tequila, silver tequila. Next will be 3/4 ounces of gin. Today we are using Tanqueray. And then of course your 5th and final liquor is triple sec, which is the reason this cocktail was invented. 3/4 ounce. Alright. Next we need 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. Again, I just boiled some water and sugar. It works perfectly. No reason to go out and buy it. And then lastly, 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. And then cola to the top. I am a self-conscious man, and so today we're going to be using Diet Coke. Most of these I know are used with regular Coke. Do as you please. To the top. Look at that amber hue. And your Long Island Iced Tea. Thanks for stopping by for the Hump Day Cocktails with me, your host, Matthew. Come back next time. We're going to be doing the Mai Tai. See you then.